So today we organized as Positive Technologies together with NSP first cybersecurity training on vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, the first training in India. It's very interesting that the first Positive Hack Talk, the event for the cybersecurity researchers and enthusiasts, it was also organized in Bengaluru last year. So today's event is the great tradition which we create together with NSP about the knowledge sharing, about spreading up the culture of the cybersecurity and building up the cybersecurity expertise for India.